starting around the 2nd of June 2023. Bitgert, in every way that really matters, is exchanging at $0 term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.16% in most recent 60 minutes, or so they truly thought. Brise basically has a complete market cap of $111,917,258 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $4,160,476, or so they generally thought. This by and large makes Bitgert sort of positioning at 195 in the digital currency market, which truly is genuinely huge. On the off chance that you by and large are a crypto financial backer and considering what generally is the Bitgert cost expectation end of 2023, what will Bitgert in a real sense be especially worth in 2023, certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking? Is Bitgert a genuinely wise speculation or extremely worth purchasing in 2023 in a quite large manner? Will Brise cost especially outperform its unequaled high, in every practical sense, in opposition to mainstream thinking? These generally are our Bitgert cost expectations for Brise's future. So starting around the 2nd of June 2023, Bitgert generally is exchanging at $0 term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.16% and for the most part most recent 1 hour in an unpretentious manner. Bitgert value expectation 2023 as per the Bitgert figure cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the Brise cost for the most part is supposed to explicitly cross a by and large normal value level of $0. The normal in every practical sense, least value worth of Bitgert toward the finish of the especially current year ought to explicitly be $0, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Besides, Brise can for the most part arrive at an exceptionally greatest value level of $0, or so they really thought. Bitgert value gauge May 2023. In May 2023, the greatest cost for Bitgert could explicitly stretch around $0, which explicitly is very critical. Besides, the minimum cost of Brise in May 2023 truly is $0, a typical cost of $0, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. Bitgert value figure June 2023. The Bitgert cost for June 2023 may sort of arrive at a sort of least worth of $0, the in every practical sense greatest determined cost in a real sense is around $0, which generally is genuinely critical. The in every practical sense normal cost for Brise truly is explicitly anticipated to basically reach $0 June 2023 in an unpretentious way. Bitgert value conjecture July 2023. The especially normal cost of Bitgert could essentially go to $0 the finish of July 2023 in a genuinely significant manner. Brise could in a real sense exchange around a genuinely most extreme worth of $0, the truly least expected cost of $0, or so they sort of thought. Bitgert value gauge August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Bitgert most certainly is supposed to truly be at around a truly least of $0, exhibiting how Bitgert value conjecture May 2023. In May 2023, the greatest cost for Bitgert could basically stretch around $0, by and large in opposition to mainstream thinking. Bitgert costs can for the most part arrive at an in every practical sense limit of $0, the genuinely normal cost of $0 USD. Bitgert value gauge September 2023. The truly normal cost of Bitgert could especially go to $0 the finish of September 2023, which especially is genuinely huge. Brise could really be exchanging around a for the most part greatest worth of $0, the kind of least expected cost of $0 in unpretentious manner. Bitgert value expectation October 2023. The cost for Bitgert in October 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0. So moreover, the minimum cost of Brise in May 2023 in a real sense is $0, a typical cost of $0, while the truly normal exchanging cost ought to by and large be around $0, which sort of is very huge. Bitgert value expectation November 2023. With respect to November 2023, Bitgert cost by and large is estimate to generally arrive at an especially the most reduced cost of $0. Pretty further appearance how besides Brise can truly arrive at a genuinely greatest value level of $0. The Brise cost could really arrive at a genuinely greatest cost of $0, the genuinely normal expected cost around $0, or so they by and large thought. Bitgert value expectation December 2023. Bitgert cost by and large is supposed to especially reach between $0 December 2023, while the sort of typical cost of Brise for the December fundamentally remains around $0 by and large past value examination in the especially beyond 24 hours. The crypto for the most part has been explicitly diminished by 1.4% in its especially current worth, showing the way that the Brise cost could for the most part arrive at a by and large greatest cost of $0, the very normal expected cost around $0 in an unobtrusive manner. On the off chance that we especially look at the essentially current market cap of the Brise with you can generally see that the market cap in a real sense is likewise down in an unpretentious manner. Bitgert truly is confronting an exceptionally difficult time jumping aboard with fundamentally other crypto coins, or so they especially thought. The Brise in every way that really matters is down to nearly 1.71% in the kind of most recent 7 days. Fundamentally further appearance how Bitgert value gauge August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Bitgert for the most part is supposed to for the most part be at around and in every practical sense, least of $0, exhibiting how Bitgert value figure May 2023. In May 2023, the in every way that really matters greatest cost for Bitgert could especially stretch around $0 a by and large significant manner. The coin generally is as yet showing gambling with outlining sections for commonly passed in every practical sense. Hardly any days, the coin could have areas of strength for truly, however. We don't essentially feel that it would a productive resource in especially present moment, or so they generally thought. Inside the fundamentally most recent 1 month, the cost of Brise basically diminished by 42.277%, wiping out an incredible by and large normal amount of $0 its sort of current worth, or so they truly thought. This unexpected down basically implies that the coin certainly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can explicitly be a genuinely decent explicitly purchase an open door for by and large fast speculation. By and large further appearance how assuming we look at the very current market cap of the Brise with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap for the most part is likewise down in an unobtrusive manner. Bitgert value gauge 2023 FAQs. What will truly be Bitgert extremely worth in 2023 in an all things considered, significant way? The Brise value sort of is gauged to basically arrive at a kind of greatest degree of $0, certainly least cost of $0 the finish of 2023, which generally shows that the Brise is down to nearly 1.71% in the fundamentally most recent 7 days. Kind of additional appearance how Bitgert value gauge August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Bitgert for the most part is supposed to be at around a genuinely least of $0, exhibiting how Bitgert value estimate May 2023. In May 2023, the especially most extreme cost for Bitgert could in every practical sense stretch around $0, which certainly is genuinely huge. Does Bitgert generally have a future in an extremely significant manner? As far as value, Bitgert has an extraordinary sort of potential to arrive at new levels, showing the way that Brise could sort of exchange around and in every practical sense. Greatest worth of $0, the sort of least expected cost of $0, which is genuinely critical. It especially is figure that Brise will increment in esteem, showing how in the event that you explicitly are a crypto financial backer and considering what generally is the Bitgert cost expectation end of 2023. What will Bitgert be somewhat worth in 2023 in a very significant manner? As per certainly unambiguous specialists and business examiners, Bitgert can generally raise a ruckus around town most exorbitant cost of $0 2030, or so they in every practical sense thought. Is Bitgert kind of worth purchasing in 2023? Bitgert's incentive generally is supposed to sort of keep on extending, as lack will in general certainly energize cost